How to sell Ticketmaster tickets on Viagogo. First, sign into your account using your email and password or login using your Facebook account. Or create an account. Just simply fill out all of this required information, including your first name, last name, email address, your phone number. Click on Sell button. Click Sell Tickets. Then you will redirect it on this page. Click on Sell My Tickets. In the search bar, find the event for which you want to sell ticket. For example, I search Adele. We'll be able to see all of the tickets that we can sell for this event. Click on the option that matches your Ticketmaster ticket details. Choose ticket type of your Ticketmaster ticket. Enter number of tickets. Choose split type. Enter seating details. Enter face value. Select required ticket details. Click on Normal Seller and click Continue. Set the price. Enter your ticket location address. Then put the OTP. Choose method for getting paid. Enter billing address, then continue. That's it. Thanks for watching.